Repetitive head impacts are a complex public health problem. This protocol is a safe and reproducible method for validating whether clinical findings are due to head impacts or noise factor.
From ball speed and impact placement to exercise effect and body temperature, this model gives researchers a comprehensive method for studying subconcussive head impacts.
This model allows researchers to validate clinical findings beyond acute profiles of brain-derived blood biomarkers and can be used to investigate perturbations in oculomotor function, the vestibular system, and more.
During play, the head makes contact with the ball in various ways. Therefore, it's important to visualize what is meant by soccer heading model as described in the literature.
Following baseline measurement collection pre-intervention, position a soccer ball launcher approximately 40 feet away from the subject, and confirm that the soccer balls to be used for the trial have been inflated to 9 pounds per square inch. The face of the machine displays two identical dials that regulate the speed of the left and right wheels with an on-off switch in between. Set both of the dials to a standardized speed of choice, and place 3-inch blocks under the wheels of the ball launcher to allow the desired trajectory. When the last block has been placed, angle the launcher to 40 degrees between the ground and the midline of the rotating wheels. Next, fit the subject with a triaxial accelerometer embedded with a headband pocket positioned directly below the external occipital protuberance to monitor the linear and rotational head accelerations.